Hey dolls and gents, your girl is back with a new hair tutorial for you guys. Today I am showing you how I quickly apply my wig using the Keisha active glue. This is my first time using the active. Y'all know I've used the regular Keisha and I love that stuff. This active is even better. I can tell the hold is crazy. And also I noticed when I was applying it, it dried a little bit faster and it just stuck down like so quick. Like I didn't even have to apply a scarf to my head. I'm obsessed with this glue thus far, but I will let y'all know in the description box down below how long this glue actually lasts for this install, because I'm going to try to wear it for at least a week or two just to see how long the active lasts compared to the regular Keisha. So I am rocking hair extensions from Alipearl. This is their natural wave hair. I have in 4 bundles plus a lace closure. I have in 28, 26, 24, 22 plus a 20-inch lace closure. I did go in and bleach the knots on my lace closure, so that gives a super natural parting. So basically wherever I part the hair on the lace closure, it's going to look natural. You don't have to add any concealer or foundation to the lace if you wear a skin tone cap underneath and bleach your knots. Actually on the way out the door right now because I do have a date with my boyfriend, but I wanted to show you how easy it is to install a wig with glue, because sometimes I know it can be crazy, especially with the frontal, but if you have a lace closure, you can literally apply your wig in 10 minutes or less and make it look like it's growing out of your scalp. So if you wanna see how I installed these hair extensions from Alipearl, definitely keep watching. I will leave any coupon codes or any links that I have to this hair in the description box down below so you can check it out if you're interested in purchasing this hair from Alipearl. All right, y'all, I'm so excited to install this wig. This hair is from Alipearl, as you know already. I am going to first clean my skin with rubbing alcohol. This is major key because I did apply makeup to my face first. I normally like to put my wigs on before I do my makeup, but because I'm showing you in a video, I just did my makeup first. So do this step before you do your makeup. Just make sure you clean that area really well because you want it to be clean, dry, and ready to go. You don't want to have any oil on your skin or any makeup on your skin where you apply the glue. So I am using the Keisha active glue today. This was my first time using it since I purchased it. Y'all know I've used the regular Keisha, but I have to say the active doesn't even compare. Like, it's so good. Do y'all see how easily that sticks down? And I only did 1 layer, y'all. Like, for lace closure wigs, I really don't think you need that much glue, but yeah, it's so sticky, and I don't have to use like a blow dryer to go back over it if I don't want to, but I do always do it so I can set it. So I'm going over it with the blow dryer just to make sure that the glue is nice and settled, because I don't like to tie it after I do it. As you can see here, I'm taking a little bit of my foundation. This is just the Lancome Keisha in the shade 520 Suede W, and I'm using this brush from Morphe. I don't know the number, but I'll list it down below for you guys if you're interested. But as you can see, this step is like major key for just like melting it into the skin and making sure it blends with my skin tone. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. As you can tell, it was super easy to install these hair extensions. The natural curl pattern of this hair is so beautiful that you don't need to straighten it. You don't need to curl it. You can literally throw the wig on and go out the door, or if it's an install, you can literally wake up and like just jizz it up a little bit and go out the door. I love loose wave hair like this. It's not as high maintenance as curly, but you can still rock it in its natural curl pattern and it's gonna look bomb AF. So since installing these hair extensions, I have not had any tangling whatsoever, but I did cut my west when I made this wig using these hair extensions from Alipearl. So I could be experiencing a little bit of shedding due to that, but it's not a lot of shedding. It's just like pretty much normal. I experience shedding with pretty much every hair that I have ever installed, and honestly, our natural hair sheds, so a little bit of shedding with hair extensions isn't crazy. My main thing is I don't want it tangling, I don't want it matting up, and I don't want mad hair coming out to the point of I can tell where the hair came from. So as you can see, it looks like the hair is growing out of my scalp. It's not going anywhere. All I did was add a little bit of foundation to this front side of the lace so it could blend better. You could also tint your lace if you don't want to add foundation, but foundation is just like a quick fix and it makes sure that it blends in flawlessly with your skin tone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up, and I will be sure to catch y'all in my next one. Bye. By the way, if you have not already watched my last video, be sure to check it out right here. It is a makeup tutorial, and I'm gonna show you how to look cute AF, okay? Let's go.